If your boot menu looks something like this, you have a lot of entries from the old reinstalls. In Linux, there is an easy way to clean all that up. You can just run Efibootmgr, and here you will get a list similar to this. So boot current, and this number shows the current boot entry. And in the boot order, you can see in which sequence your system will choose to boot some things. As you can see, I previously had Pop! OS installed. I was just testing Cosmic Desktop and some other Linux distros. So the thing you can do is to enter this command, and here in the boot num, you just enter the number that you no longer need. But be very careful. Don't delete something that you need. So for instance, I can delete all these first 3 entries. So I will just put 1. And as you can see, 1 is deleted. The same for 2 and 3. And this already looks a lot cleaner. And now, as you can see, I have a much cleaner boot menu. And I just thought that somebody else might want to clean their boot entries before the New Year's. Happy New Year, everybody!